Have you ever thought of using TikTok for entertainment as well as earning money? Yes. You can earn money using TikTok today. I will tell you about the methods that you can use to earn money from TikTok. So let's begin. Fleet marketing. Affiliate marketing. The first way to earn money from TikTok is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means that if someone buys something from your link on any website, you get a commission for that item in return, and you're on the line is earning. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to earn money because you don't need a laptop or computer. You can use your mobile for cryo-flat marketing. Let's say you can earn thousands of dollars per month from your mobile at home. You can do affiliate marketing with any of these websites: Amazon Associate, AliExpress, Hostinger, Daraz, Shopify, Digistore 24. Daraz. Selling your own product. You can sell your own product. If you have a product that can be one of these or even outside of them, you can sell it using TikTok. Homeware and decor. Health and wellness. Fitness and sports equipment. Jewelry and accessories. Tech and gadgets. Fitness and sports equipment. Kitchen and home accessories. Pet accessories. So you can use TikTok for your product promotion, and it is the best way to do marketing. Sponsorship. Sponsorship. The third way to earn money from TikTok is sponsorship. Sponsorship means that a company or website sees your popularity and offers you to promote their company or website. You can promote through videos, post, or promote in any way. And as a result of this promotion, they give you money and you earn online. Now the question arises that how much money can we earn from sponsorship? It depends on your audience. If you have a huge audience, you can earn thousands of dollars per month just from sponsorship. Now the question arises that how we can gain popularity by making videos on TikTok. It depends on you which talent you have. If you have a talent for dressing, you can tell people about dressing. If you have any knowledge of history, you can tell people about history. If you have a skill, you can tell people about this skill. My point is to make videos on whatever your talent is and gain popularity. Thanks for tuning in to Infotech. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Check out our other videos and stay connected with us. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning.